King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring king 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 got the hammer king I ain't got the chopsticks put it in my punches to pop pop pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, so long time no see, and as you can see I have a new hairstyle. I went blonde. Your girl is a blondie now, so let me know what you guys think of this color on me. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I think it's making my skin pop. I think it's giving what it needs to give. But yes, a little, can we get a little applause for the hair? Thank you, thank you, thank you. But you guys, I know I have been ghost, like it's been a long time since I've talked to you guys and since you've seen my face. As you know, I did start my government job, so like I've just been so busy with that. Like I don't have the energy to record videos anymore when I leave work. I just am super tired, and I'm like, today I'm not doing that. Like today we are gonna record a video. We're gonna record something. I don't care what it is, but we're gonna record something. So here I am turning the camera on and getting this video started. So I plan today to record TikToks because I haven't done that in like probably a month or two, like maybe a month and some weeks, but I haven't recorded any new YouTube videos in a while. I mean TikTok videos in a while. I'm standing crazy, like I'm just excited to be recording again. But yeah, I want to be productive today, so I'm going to record some TikToks tonight. It is like 7 o'clock at night. I normally like to record at night because it's dark in here and the pink light looks good in the background, so I saved some TikToks that I wanted to recreate, and we're gonna go ahead and start with that and see where the night takes us. So the first thing I'm gonna do is open the TikTok app, and I already hearted a lot of different TikToks. Oh, what's that? That's cute, but sorry. See how easy it is to get distracted on TikTok? But I already hearted like a whole bunch of TikToks that I want to recreate because it's been so long and I haven't done any in a while. So yeah, this is gonna take a few hours, but it's gonna totally be worth it. So I'm going to do this first one. Okay, y'all, let's get into it. This first one, something super easy. Oh, that's cute. I gotta try this. Okay, that's cute. This is a really cute filter. They're probably gonna be like, girls, too much going on. This is a filter, y'all. Hold on. Can you see me? Can you guys see? I don't know if you can see that. Hold on. It's like sparkles. Can you see? Oh. It's cute though. It's hard to do two things at once. Like I'm trying to record a YouTube video and I'm trying to do what I normally do when I'm trying to be productive. It's such a cute filter though. Like I want to use it. I think I'm gonna try it. So let's just start. First of all, I started off beat. Yeah, it's cute and all, but it's giving too much filter. Girl, I need to wait. And I don't think I want to use that filter. So let's go back to the one that we already had. This one. Okay. So I gotta let the beat play a little bit first. Okay, that was cute. That was cute. Now let me add a little edits and stuff. I just want to say how much I love my mom for always coming to see if I need help with anything. She just walked past and she was like, do you need help with anything? I was like, no, I'm just recording TikToks. But you guys, my phone's on 39%, so I'm going to just go ahead and speed up this process of me recording all these TikToks, and then we'll get to the next part of the video because most of these songs are copyright anyway, so if I play them in the video, I'm going to get copyrighted. So let's just speed it up really quick and get into finishing these TikToks because it's going to take some hours for sure. Because I like to have like 30 videos in my draft so I can just post. And then next we're going to be trying to plan out my feed, like my Instagram posts and stuff like that, making reels and all of that. So for now, let's get to the next part of the video. Okay guys, so I normally like to change my outfit when I'm doing TikTok so it can seem like it's like a different day when I do like a bulk amount of TikToks in the same day. So I'm gonna change out of this outfit. It's 8:17 and my phone is on 19%, so I'm gonna let my phone charge. I'm gonna shower, change my outfit, and then go ahead and get back to recording some more TikToks. She never got back to getting to the TikToks, but instead she showered, relaxed, watched Netflix, and fell asleep.
See you next morning.
Okay guys, don't be mad. Don't be mad. So yesterday I was supposed to take a shower and continue doing TikToks, but I took a shower and just got some things together, and yeah, I didn't get a chance to continue the TikToks, so that's okay because we are gonna do it, y'all. We're gonna do it. Don't worry about it. We're gonna do it. But my nephew is about to come over here. My newborn baby nephew is about to come over here, and I'm gonna show you guys him. He's so cute. Oh my god, I love him so much. He's perfect. Like, he's literally perfect. So he should be here in a few minutes, and I'll turn the camera back on when he's here, and then we can worry about what we're doing for the rest of today. Hi, Zeke.
There you go. My hair not done. What the world?
He's so perfect. Okay, okay. What's the matter with you? 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 What's the matter with you?
You're not done again, on?
He's so perfect. Perfect.
Look just like his daddy.
Show his daddy.
No, my hair not done.
It looks different every day. He keeps changing.
Been on here for a minute.
A few minutes later.
Alright, and listen, most important, everybody gets the same greeting. They come in, you look them in the face, you smile.
So you guys have seen my absolutely adorable, handsome nephew, Ezekiel. And we just actually left Red Lobster too. We all went out to eat. Me, my brother, my mom, and my grandpa, we went to Red Lobster. Those biscuits are so good. But yeah, now I'm about to open this package that I got for my dad for Christmas. It feels really light. I thought it was bigger. I got him this like Versace cologne set, but it must be like the sample sizes or something because it feels really light. But let's go ahead and open it and take a look before we get into, you know, back to the business, Sexy Lexy Inc. things. Oh no, these are so small. This is so tiny. This is literally so small. I guess he can see which one he likes though, but I thought this was like bigger. And I need to get together, put together my Christmas list too. But yeah, you guys, this is what it is. Super small, like that's so small. Anyway, I actually have an order to do as well, so we about to go ahead and get that done. I love packaging orders. It's like the best thing ever in the whole world. And I also got my something in the water ticket. You guys, I don't know if you heard about that festival that Pharrell throws. It was in DC last year. The first year was in Virginia Beach, and then the second year it was in DC, and now it's back here in Virginia Beach where it belongs. So I definitely will be going to that in April, and I will be vlogging it on my personal channel, Life with Lex. So make sure you are subscribed to that channel so you can check it out, of course. And let's go ahead and get into this order. I'm so excited because I haven't been marketing really much at all. I wonder where she came from. And it's her first order. So she just got a gold baby girl necklace. Nothing too crazy. Let me show you guys what she got. So this is what she got, you guys. Hold on, I'm gonna take it out of the thing because I don't like to have it in here anyway. Bada bing, bada boom. So cute. She got this super cute gold baby girl necklace. So cute. Thank you, Tracy girl. So guys, now I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna go ahead and get some product pictures and things that I can put on Instagram and Twitter and stuff. So I'm gonna do some marketing stuff. And I think I want to have a different background, so I'm gonna go downstairs, see what I can find, see how I can get creative. And I'm tired because I ran up the stairs because I was trying to see if something was down there. But yeah, I'm gonna do some marketing now and let's see how this goes. I hope that everything turns out really, really good. But yeah, let's get it started.
It's RSN.
Okay guys, my camera is about to die, so I'm going to go ahead and close out today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. It was a little something something, nothing much, but it was a little something something. But yes, you guys, make sure you shop Sexy Lexy Inc. Always www.sexylexyinc.com. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend about Sexy Lexy Inc. And I will see you guys in my next video. Toodles!
King got the hammer in the king got the hammer got the hammer in the ring.